Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look. As you can see, my model is very happy, so without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. And if you have not subscribed, kindly do.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay guys, I already did her brows off camera. I'll be using the same concealer I used to clean her brows as her eyeshadow base, which is the Bhcosmetics concealer and foundation palette. And I went ahead and blended it out with a fluffy brush. So the palette I use is from Morphe Jacqueline Hill Ring the Alarm palette. So my first shade is Alert. Yes, you can use any other similar shade if you don't have the Ring the Alarm palette. The video itself is self-explanatory, so I won't be talking much. So my second shade is Secret, and I concentrated that shade in her crease. That's exactly where I concentrated the shade. So now I'm using that same concealer to kind of get a new canvas to apply my lid shade, if that makes sense. Just like so. I'm not cutting her crease, so I'm just applying the concealer as I'm doing, and I'll be using the shade On Camera. So to line her eyes, I use the Flormar Cosmetics eyeliner pen to line her eye. So I went ahead with the Pond's mattifying primer to to prime her face, and I went ahead and apply her lashes. So to correct her dark spots, I'll be using the LA Girl orange corrector to correct that. And I went ahead and blended it with my foundation brush. So I did her foundation off camera. The foundation I used was LA Girl Pro matte foundation, but I've forgotten the shade. Yeah, and I used LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade medium beige to highlight her face. Yeah, the shade medium beige. So to contour, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour her face. And to set the places where I highlighted, I'll be using the Flormar Cosmetics loose setting powder in the shade light sand to set the place where I highlighted, and I'll be using the shade bronze sand to set her entire face. So to set the places where I contoured, I'll be using my grandma palette, which is from Nickak Dual Contour, to set places where I contoured. Yeah, so we are going in with our blush. So to highlight, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Sugar Tool, which looks older. It looks very old, but it's not old. You see that glow? Do you see that? Okay. And you see the way the eyeshadow is popping. All right, let's continue. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Huda Beauty and Classic Makeup USA, and we'll be doing an ombre lip with a little bit of a gloss. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, continue watching and enjoy the rest of the video.